Are you struggling with stubborn belly fat that seems immune to all your fitness efforts? This excess weight around the middle is notoriously tough to shift. It's a common problem, one that often persists despite our best efforts at diet and exercise. But what if the answer to this persistent problem lies not in drastic measures, but in a natural healthy solution? A solution that is as simple as it is effective. In this video, we'll introduce a simple yet effective solution to your belly fat woes. Our secret weapon against belly fat is a warm drink made from cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, and lemon. Let's delve into the world of these 4 potent ingredients. Cinnamon, a spice revered for its rich, warming flavor, is also a powerhouse of metabolism-boosting properties. It helps control blood sugar levels, making it a fantastic ally in weight management. Next, we have turmeric, the golden spice. It's packed with curcumin, a compound known to reduce inflammation and boost fat burning. It's a must-have for any weight loss journey. Then there's ginger. This zesty root aids digestion, curbs hunger pangs, and fires up your metabolism. It's no wonder it's been used in health remedies for centuries. Finally, the humble lemon. Packed with vitamin C, it aids in digestion and detoxification, helping your body to metabolize and burn fat more efficiently. These ingredients combined create a powerful belly fat busting drink. Creating this warm drink is straightforward and requires no special equipment. So let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, and half a lemon. These quantities are perfect for a single serving, but feel free to adjust to your taste. Begin by peeling and grating your ginger. Fresh ginger has a vibrant flavor that beats the powdered version any day. Once you've grated it, set it aside. Next, squeeze the juice out of your lemon half. Remember, fresh is best, so opt for a ripe, juicy lemon. Now, let's get to the warm part of our warm drink. In a small pot, bring 1 cup of water to a gentle boil. Once the water begins to bubble, reduce the heat to a simmer. At this stage, add your grated ginger. Allow it to steep in the simmering water for about 5 minutes. This helps to extract all the wonderful flavors and benefits from the ginger. While your ginger is steeping, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a small bowl, combine your cinnamon and turmeric. Mix them together until they're well blended. After 5 minutes of steeping, your ginger-infused water should be ready. Carefully strain the water into your favorite mug, leaving the ginger behind. Now, add your dry ingredients to the mug. Stir everything together until the spices are well incorporated. To finish off your drink, squeeze your fresh lemon juice into the mug. Give everything a final stir. The ideal temperature for this drink is warm, not scalding. So if it's too hot, let it cool down a bit before you sip. And there you have it, a delicious warming drink that not only soothes but also aids in your belly fat loss journey. Drinking this concoction is not just about shedding those extra pounds. It's about harnessing the power of nature's finest to enhance your overall well-being. Now you might be wondering when the best time to consume this drink for optimal results is. Well, the answer is simple. On an empty stomach, first thing in the morning. Consistent consumption of this warm drink can unlock a treasure trove of health benefits. The ginger and lemon aid in improving digestion, ensuring that your body effectively absorbs nutrients. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory properties, contributes to better skin health, giving you that much sought-after glow. The cinnamon, with its immune-boosting properties, fortifies your body's defenses, helping you fend off common ailments. And let's not forget the lemon, a rich source of vitamin C, which further strengthens your immune system. This warm drink is more than just a belly fat solution. It's a step towards a healthier, happier you. Belly fat loss doesn't have to be a grueling task. In this video, we've shown you a simple yet effective method using a warm drink made from cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, and lemon. This not only helps in combating belly fat, but also comes with a myriad of health benefits. It's as simple as brewing up a cup each day. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Remember, a healthier you is just a sip away.